It takes 10 seconds to order ice cream.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older, then we wouldn't have to wait so long? And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong? No one's gonna make it.
It takes 10 seconds to create a memory.
Okay, so back up, and then the drum kit.
It takes 10 seconds to get hired. It takes 10 seconds to make a phone call to your old friend.
Maybe if we think and wish and hope and pray it might come true.
Yeah.
Baby, then there wouldn't be a single thing we couldn't do.
It takes 10 seconds to submit your college application. It takes 10 seconds to get high off of crack cocaine, a high that only lasts 15 minutes. Those 10 seconds could determine the rest of your life. What will you do with your 10 seconds?
Wouldn't it